Assalamu alaikum and welcome all. I hope that you will be enjoying a happy and healthy life. In today's video, I will share with you my preparations for the upcoming veggie season. In Gulf region, the suitable period to grow vegetables is from October to March. So in September, I need to finish all my preparation and start sowing the seeds even. Let me show you what are my preparations. Here is the first one. This is the old soil from my pots. Before 3 to 4 days I just spread it and now it's completely dry. You can see that. And because of the heat and sunlight, this gets sterilized and this will be free from all insects, pests or fungus, if any was there in it. So now it's ready. You can see it's completely dry. And if you don't have that much space, that much free space available to spread the soil, then there are two other ways. One is, if you are dealing with the small pots of this size, 12 inches or 14 inches, even 16 inches pot, then let it be like that. Remove the old plant and let the soil get dry. It will automatically sterilize in heat, and see, after 2-3 days, if you keep on blowing it a little bit, it will be completely dry till the base. Okay. The other way is, take some empty tray or old baking tray I have here, and I have this pot. See, this is just wet. I removed the plant from it because it was broken. So now I am going to spread this one here. Let me remove all those. I just used it to block the drain holes at the base. I will remove all these, and even if some pebbles are there, I will remove that. And see, this is dry. I will not mix it with it. Even you can use small trays to do them. It will not take much time. This process will take some time because this has some depth, so it will take some time to dry. If you spread it, it will not take time. In 3-4 days it will be dry, and this one will also not take time. Okay, so if you don't have space, you can just dry it in small trays. And in few days I will share the video with you, and I'll show you how I will renew this soil and get it ready to grow vegetables in it. These are my old 50-liter pots, which I have repaired because a few of these were cracked from the base due to the weight of the soil, and for few the stands were broken because we were dragging them on these bricks. So I have fixed their broken base using the cement. Honestly speaking, I tried this very first time and alhamdulillah I got very good results. I have hardly spent 25 dirhams on it. A 10 dirham cement packet and 13 to 14 dirhams paint I bought. And I have put in some effort and time. By doing so, I could save 6 pots like this, which are 40 to 45 dirhams each. Okay, number 3 is the kitchen compost. This is my kitchen waste. I am using an old broken bucket to collect kitchen waste. You can see the upper layer is not decomposed properly, but if I will dig it down, you will see. See, this is properly decomposed, only the upper layer is not. So with time that will also decompose. I keep collecting kitchen waste throughout the year, and now I will be using it. In fact, I use it in between to fill the pots, and I have it in 2 boxes. You can see how nicely it is decomposed. So I will mix it with the other soil which I have collected here. Let me show you. This soil I have collected, which I will, this is the local sandy soil which I will mix with the kitchen compost to grow vegetables. And I want to show you the fresh compost also. This is the box of the fresh compost. That one was for the old one which is already formed. and covered. This one is getting ready. I am collecting the garden waste also, as I told you earlier in my videos that I use it a lot. This is garden gold, and these dry leaves will also be mixed with the normal soil, or it can be used to cover the base of the pots. And I'm just collecting all the cuttings of my trees also. So whatever is available in our garden and kitchen, we will reuse that. Along with this garden waste and dry leaves, I am just drying these neem leaves also, which I will add as a fungicide. I will make a powder of it, and then I will add it as a fungicide in the soil mix of my pots. Okay viewers, I also want to show you this. I'm trying to create some extra space here for plants. This year I'm planning to grow some new plants. So every year I try 1 or 2 new plants. So this year I'm planning to grow new, and for that I need some extra space. So near my tiny pomegranate plant, I have just created some raised bed kind of thing here in this form. So in these 2 raised beds, one is this and one is this one. I will just fill them with the kitchen compost and sand, and then I'll probably plant some vines. Okay, let's see how it comes out. This is the last preparation which I am making. Last but most important, that I am collecting some seeds. These are some floral seeds, chilies, capsicum. These I bought from market. This is from last year's stock. Inshallah, I will share a detailed video when I will sow the seeds. Till then, take care, stay blessed, and Allah Hafiz.